Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the future of automotive excellence with the 2026 BMW 3 Series. Buckle up because this is one ride you won't want to miss. Kicking things off with its exterior design, the 2026 BMW 3 Series takes elegance to a whole new level, drawing inspiration from its predecessors. This beauty boasts a sleek and aerodynamic profile that's bound to turn heads on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that seamlessly blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. From the premium materials to the intuitive infotainment system, every detail has been meticulously crafted to enhance your driving experience. But what about under the hood? Fear not, performance enthusiasts, because the 2026 BMW 3 Series delivers in spades. With a range of powerful yet efficient engine options, including hybrid and electric variants, you'll enjoy exhilarating performance without compromising on fuel economy. Whether you're navigating city streets or carving up winding roads, the 3 Series handles like a dream. Thanks to its precise steering and adaptive suspension, you'll feel connected to the road like never before. Of course, safety is paramount, and the 2026 BMW 3 Series is packed with the latest driver assistance systems to keep you and your passengers protected. From autonomous emergency braking to adaptive cruise control, you can drive with confidence knowing that BMW has your back. In conclusion, the 2026 BMW 3 Series is more than just a car. It's a symphony of performance, luxury, and innovation. Whether you're a driving enthusiast or simply appreciate the finer things in life, this is a vehicle that's sure to exceed your expectations. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and until next time, keep chasing your automotive dreams. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews and updates.